fishy right out of the freezer. I want to go ahead and just smooth it out a little bit more. And make sure it's not sliding around on me here. Now any of these spots right here, I can go ahead and fill those in with a little bit more soft buttercream. Take the scraper again and go right over that. Make that nice and smooth. And we'll go some over here. Turn it around. Scrape some of that off. Okay, now this area right here, what I want to do is, I can still see a little bit of cake, so I'm going to put a little bit of extra icing in there. So if I don't have that covered, then the fondant will not stick to the cake. Like so. And then take the little plastic for this area and just kind of smooth that out. Come this way. Just keep turning your turntable so you get the right positioning. Notice how I just keep turning it, turn it back, make sure I get the right position. Okay, great. Now, before I roll out my fondant to cover this, what I want to do is actually get my fondant over here. This is just white fondant. And I'm just going to take a little piece off, and I just want to add a little bit to the mouth for the fishy lips. You know how your fishies have little fishy lips? So just take a little cord. And I want to place this right here. Kind of blend that in and have it come all the way down here. Cut some of that off at the bottom. And then I'm going to do one right on the top here. And tuck that under. Make sure that's really tucked under there. Okay, fishy dibs. Okay, so into the refrigerator. I'm going to roll out my fondant and then I'll pull it back out and we'll cover it.